Now I believe all the configuration is good to apply coupon. So let's go here. Let's select the startup project. We will select all of the projects here, including the coupon API, even though we're not using that right now, but we'll just configure it. We have an error. Let's see what that is. This should be a string and not an integer. And right here, let's go to login as an admin. And here, if we go to our shopping cart, we see the cart details. Now let's try to apply a coupon. We'll call this test and we'll hit apply. Great, you can see it has been applied and we see the remove button. If we go back to our database and if we examine the shopping cart header, we should see that coupon code. And perfect, that is applied. Now we are applying the coupon code even though it's invalid. If it's an invalid coupon code, we just won't display any discount, but we will display that the code has been applied. We can also remove that. If we go back and refresh, perfect, that's working. So our logic to apply and remove the coupon code is working as expected. Now before we proceed further, I want to change some things. One thing that I don't like is you see we have two cart controllers. That is super confusing. Because of that, what we did is inside the product API, you can see the controller. I'm naming that product API controller and not just product controller. So we can make some changes inside the shopping cart where we have the cart controller. I will change that to cart API controller. We don't have to change anything else. Let me also do the same in coupon. That way it's much easier to tell which controller it is by looking at the name. This is an API controller. With that, let's build the project and everything should still work. Let's run it again and make sure everything is working. Let's go to our shopping cart. And great, it's working. So with that, we have made things less confusing, and let's continue in the next video.